Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking mushroom stroganoff. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, dissolve the stock pot in boiling water to make the vegetable stock. Now combine the soured cream and flour. Put a saucepan of water on a high heat to boil. Once boiling, add the egg noodles, give it all a good mix and remove from the heat. Leave the noodles to cook for 7 minutes before draining. Place to one side. Put a saucepan on a medium heat and melt the butter. Add the onion and cook until soft. Turn the heat up to medium-high and add the mushrooms. Cook until the mushrooms are soft and browned. Place in a bowl to one side. Put the saucepan back on the medium-high heat and add the vegetable stock. Bring it to the boil and allow to reduce slightly. Return the mushrooms to the pan and add the soured cream mix. Thoroughly mix everything together and turn the heat down to low. Keep cooking until the sauce has thickened. Stir in the parsley and season to taste. To serve, place a portion of noodles in a bowl and spoon over the creamy mushroom mix while it's piping hot. You won't be disappointed by this quick but incredibly tasty dish. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.